Good morning once again. Now here in this session we'll do the question of 13.5. Yes, try to finish all the questions if possible. If not, then we'll finish them in the next class. So here the questions are based on the key1 keyword. Okay, now see here what given. A matchbox has measure 4 cm, 2.5 cm into 1.5 cm. So whenever dimensions are given in, suppose something into something into something, then the first one represent the L, second one represent the B, and the third one represent the H. Means they are in the form of LBH. Yes. So here L means 4 cm, B means 2.5 cm, and H means 1.5 cm, which is directly not mentioned. But if the dimensions are given in a multiplication form of a cube, say all the sides are same. In case of keyboard, if they are given in the multiplication form, then the first one represent L, second one represent B, and the third one represent H. So first, given L equal 4 cm, B equal 2.5 cm, and H equal 1.5 cm. Now volume equal to LBH, 4 into 2.5 into 1.5 cubic centimeter. Now this is 10 to 1.5, 15 cubic centimeter. Yes. So this is the volume of one matchbox. Now there are 12 matchboxes. So volume of 12 boxes. So multiply the volume of 1 by the number of matchboxes. That is equal to 180 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of 12 matchboxes, where the L equal to 4, B equal to 2.5, and H equal to 1.5 centimeter. Now question number 2. Question number 2. A cuboidal water tank 6 meter long, dash meter 5 meter breadth, and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? Okay, now L given. Here same thing, L given. Given L equal to how much? L equal to 6 meter, B equal to 5 meter, and H equal to 4.5 meter. Yes, L equal to 6, B equal to this, and H equal to this. So volume equal to how much water means we have to find the capacity of the liquid. Liquid capacity means volume. So volume equal to LBH, 6 into 5 into 4.5. So 30 into 4.5. So 150, 135 cubic meter. Yes, cubic meter. Now we have to find out how many liters. Okay, now listen. 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. Then 1 cubic meter equal to 1 kiloliter, and 1 kiloliter means 1000 liters. So here to convert this cubic meter into liter, we have to multiply by 1000. We have to multiply it by 1000. So 135 into 1000 liter equal to 135,000 liter. So this is the capacity of the tank. Now next question number 3. Question number 3. A cuboidal vessel dash 10 meter long. Okay, L equal to 10 meter. Breadth is not given. Breadth equal to 8 meter. Height is not given. Let the height be H. Let the height be how much? H meter. Now volume given. Volume equal to how much? Volume equal to 380 cubic meter. 380 cubic meter. Yes, 380 cubic meter. Now volume formula LBH equal to 380. Now L10 B8 H equal to 380. So H equal to 38 380 by 10 into 8. 1 0 cancel. Then 2 4s are 2 19s are. Yes, 19 by 4. Yes, 19 by 4. 19 by 4 meter. So 4 4 is 16. 3 0. 4 7 is 28. 5 2 0 4 5 0. So 4.75 meter is the height of the vessel. Length given, breadth given, height h, volume given, then put the formula calculation, h equal to 4.75. Now question number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 4 meter, 8 meter long, 6 meter wide and 3 meter breadth or deep at the rate of rupees 30 per cubic meter. Okay, now here also LBH given, then find the volume, then find the cost. We have to find the cost because find the cost rupees 30 per cubic meter, 30 per cubic meter. So cubic meter is the unit of volume, that's why we have to find out the volume of the pit. So here L equal to 8 meter, B equal to 6 meter, H equal to 3 meter. So volume equal LBH 8 into 6 into 3 equal how much? 18 into 8 cubic meter equal to how much? 4 144 cubic meter. So 144 cubic meter. Then what is the cost? Cost of 1 cubic meter equal to rupees 30. Therefore cost of how many? 144 cubic meter equal to multiply 30 into 144 equal rupees 0234 rupees 4320. Now question number 5. The capacity given. Okay. Find a breadth, the length and breadth given. Okay. Volume equal to how much? 50,000 liter. L given or L not given? Yes, L given. L equal to 2.5 meter. Height equal to 10 meter. So volume equal to LBH. LBH equal to 50,000. Okay, 50,000. See here the unit is given liter, and but here the units are given in meter. So to convert liter to cubic meter, we have to multiply or divide. We have to divide by 1000. Why? As just in the question number 2 we have mentioned that 1000 liter equal to 1 cubic meter. So whenever convert liter into cubic meter, so 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 cubic meter. So convert liter to cubic meter, we have to divide the number by 1000. So L 2.5, B not given, H 10 equal to 50. So this is 25, B equal to 50. So B equal to 2 meter. So B equal to how much? 2 meter. So B equal to 2 meter. Now question number 6. a village having a population 4,000 required 150 liters of water per head, means there are 4,000 persons in a village and the amount of water required by one person is 150 liter per day. So there is a tank whose measure is given 20 meter length by 15 meter breadth by 6 meter height. Now, so how many days will the water of the tank will last? So here, first of all, so what is the amount of water required by one person in one day, equal to 150 liter, equal to how much? 150 liters. So amount of water required by 4,000 persons in one day, we have to multiply them. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 liter. So this much of water. Now the dimension of the tank is given in meter. So again we have to convert this into cubic meter. So divide by 1000 cubic meter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 600 cubic meter waters were required by 4,000 persons in one day. Now volume of the tank. Volume of the tank equal to LPH. Here what is the L? L equal to 20, B equal to 15 and height equal to 6. So 1800 cubic meter. So this much of water is present in the tank. So and 600 cubic meters of water required by 4,000 persons in one day. So how long this water lasts? See, 600 for one day. So 1800 how many days? Divide them. So number of days equal to 1800 by 600 equal to 3 days. So this amount of water will last for 3 days. If 150 liters of water required by one person and there are 4,000 persons who are present in the village. Last 7, okay. We'll finish, we can finish it. 7, 9, 10, 7, 9. Just 3 more questions. Okay, a godown is the dimension of the godown given and the dimension of one wooden crate given. So how many wooden crates can be put in the stored in the godown? So here first volume of godown equal 60 into 25 into 10. Then volume of one wooden crate. One wooden crate equal to 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. So number of wooden crates stored in the godown. Stored in the godown equal volume of godown by volume of one wooden crate. 60 into 25 into 10 by 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. All in meter. This one in cubic meter, this one also in cubic meter. But here see, in denominator there are 4 decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we remove the decimal, then in the numerator we have to multiply by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimals. Then the decimal will be removed from the denominator. 15 4s are 5 2s are 25 5s are 5 2 0 0. So how much? 4 16. Yes, 1600. 5 20 5 2 20, yes, 8 16 1 6 0 0. So 16,000 wooden crates can be stored in the godown. A solid cube of 12 side 12 cm cut into 8 small cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between surface areas. Okay, now so this is a larger cube whose side is 12 cm each, and if I divide this one into 12 small cubes, this is a larger cube whose side is 12. If I divide into in 8 small cubes, then what is the similarity between this the larger cube and the 8 small cubes? See, I have made 8 small cubes from this larger cube. So the volume of the 8 cubes is equal to volume of the larger cube. So 8 into volume of one small cube equal to volume of larger cube. Eight into side cube. So small L cube, and this is 12 cube. So L cube 12 into 12 into 12 by 8. 2 4s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2. This one 6 cube. So what is the side? L equal to 6 centimeter. Yes, L equal to 6 centimeter. Then question is find the ratio between the surface areas. So ratio equal surface area of small cube by surface area of larger cube. So surface area of cube formula 6L square. 6 into L square. Here L equal to 6. So 6 square, and here 6 into larger cube side 12. So 12 square. 6 6 cancel. 6 into 6 by 12 into 12 equal to 1:4. Equal to 1:4. Yes, 1:4. Now next question, a river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in 1 minute? Okay. Length given, so deep given, height given, and wide given. Length is not given, but speed of the water is given, that is 2 km per hour. Okay. So now question number 9. Volume of water flowed in 1 hour equal this 340 into 2000 cubic meter. So how much? 12 24 2 4 1 2 3 4 cubic meter. So 240000 cubic meter water flowed in, to the sea in 1 hour. So volume of water flowed in 1 minute. In 1 minute. This amount of water flowed into the sea in 1 hour. Now the question is how much water will flow into the sea in 1 minute. So 1 hour means, to convert hour to minute, we have to divide by 60. 0 cancel. This one 4000 cubic meter. So this much of water will flow into the sea in 1 minute. Finish. So 13.5 also finished. So these are the questions. Yes. Thank you.